We've conducted an extensive market research program into invoice finance in the UK. We've posted the results of our research on our website and it's free of charge for businesses to use. The purpose of this video is to share some of our key findings with businesses that may be considering using invoice finance. Now, the first thing that we found was that just under 1% of existing businesses used invoice finance. That may sound low, but there were two key reasons for this. The first was that these products are not well promoted or advertised within the UK. Secondly, we found a perception amongst some businesses that this could be an expensive option, which often proved not to be the case. Now, the flip side of this was that we surveyed a group of existing invoice finance users, and we found that 98% of them said that they would recommend these products to other businesses, which is a really strong endorsement. We looked at how businesses tend to find their way to invoice finance. In 51% of cases, they went straight to their existing high street bank and used their factoring or invoice discounting arm. Now, this could be a good option in some cases. It can provide a great service, it could provide very fine rates, but we also did some customer satisfaction research that suggested that satisfaction ratings amongst the clients of independent providers could be on average 45% higher than those of bank-owned providers. Now, all options can suit different businesses, but it's worth looking at both the bank-owned sector and the independent sector before you make a decision about invoice finance. We also looked at how long businesses tend to use these products for. On average, they used invoice finance for 5 years, during which time they made one change between different providers, and that was mainly driven by reasons of making cost savings. Now, we found that we were able to save 4 out of 5 businesses money on their invoice finance costs that were quoted elsewhere, and on average we've been able to save clients that were looking for cost savings an average of 35% of the fees that they would have paid elsewhere. So the key is make sure that you look around the market and consider all the options before you make a decision on using invoice finance.